Welcome to this easy hip opening session. It is a bit chilly today. Merry Christmas to all of you. Let's get comfortable in Sukhasana, making sure that our ankles are comfortably situated on the mat. And if your legs are unable to touch the mat, that's okay. All you have to do is just take your palms and gently press onto your knees, and over time, you'll be able to get closer to the mat. So once you're nicely seated, let's go ahead and place our elbows right in front of us onto the floor and start to fold forward. And you could even reach as far as you can if that is within your practice. And if you're unable to fold all the way, that's okay. All you gotta do is just use your elbows to stabilize you or your palms and just slowly start to fold as much as you can. And again, over time, it'll improve. But for those of you, if you can reach out as far as you can and fold all the way, go ahead and do so. And getting back to our seated position. And now for some deeper stretch, go ahead and grab the outside of your left foot with your left hand. Inhale, straighten your leg out to the side. And exhale, bring your foot to your heart center. Now, if this is too much for you, I'll show you an easier variation. So inhale, straighten your leg out to the side. And exhale, foot to your stomach. So it's a little bit lower. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, foot to the heart. You can feel that stretch all on the sides of your leg. And let's go ahead and switch sides. So right foot with your right hand. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, foot to the heart center. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, foot to the heart center. All right, one more time. Inhale and exhale down to the stomach. And over time, you'll be able to raise it up just a little bit higher until you get to that heart center. And now for those of you who want more of a challenge, let's go ahead and inhale, straighten to the side. And exhale, bring your foot to your ear. It's like answering the phone. You're getting a message from the universe. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, foot to your ear. So you're bringing the foot to your ear, not the other way around. So you're not bringing your head to your foot. So let's switch. Inhale, straighten your legs to the side. Exhale, foot to your ear. Again, inhale and exhale, foot to the ear. Now don't push yourself if you are feeling pain while doing this. I want you to pick a variation that works best for you, whether that is foot to the stomach or to the heart or to the ear. So now we're going to bring the feet onto the mat. So as they are touching each other now, we're going to bring it onto our mat. Now let's do that again. Feet touching together. And you could even use your palms if you're unable to balance. And you could even come up to your tiptoe if that helps you to balance even more. But over time, the goal is to have flat feet on the mat. So you could even bring your feet apart, shoulder width length, and use your elbows to spread your knees wide for that deeper stretch around your hips. And again, if you have to stay on your tiptoe, you can do that, or use your palms to stabilize yourself. Otherwise, bring your elbows onto the mat with your hands in prayer. And this will also give you that deeper stretch that feels really, really nice. You can use your palms. If elbows is just too much of a challenge still, do what you can. Find what feels good for you. This is all about going with the flow. So come back up with your hands still in prayer, if that is within your practice. And we're going to turn sideways and sit on the mat. And here is Gaia, who wants to join in on the fun. So I'll give her a minute to just do her little thing, and I'm sure she'll go away. Alright, now lay flat on the mat. You can bring your left leg up into the sky, straight up in the air, and cross it over, putting your ankle on top of the right quad. And go ahead and bring your hands around the right thigh and bring it forward towards you, feeling that deep stretch, or you can hug around your shin. Enjoy that stretch, it feels really nice. And when you're ready, switch to the other side. Right ankle on top of the left quad, and go ahead and grab around your thigh, or put your hands around your shin, hugging it tight towards you for that deeper stretch. That feels really nice. Now go ahead and bring both of your feet down onto the mat with your knees pointing up into the ceiling. We're going to bring our knees to one side. You can feel that stretch as well. It feels really, really good. And switch to the other side, making sure that both knees are on the mat. And if you are unable to reach the mat yet, that's okay. It'll come with practice. So let's do that one more time. Both knees touching the mat towards the right. And switch sides. Both knees flat onto the mat on the left side. And back to the center. And let's go ahead and end our practice with reclining butterfly. You can bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your stomach. And just relax. And breathe. Deep inhale. And slow exhale. And now go ahead and bring your legs out right in front of you in Shavasana as we end this practice for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in again for this easy and quick hip opening session. Happy holidays. Hope you guys have a wonderful time with your loved ones. And I'll see you guys again next time. Namaste.